Take a look around. This is paradise. Welcome to the River Kwai Jungle Raft Eco Hotel. This floating hotel that Contiki stays at is located on the river's edge, surrounded by lush, green, mountains and jungle. You can swim, raft, or simply just chill. It's completely up to you. This place truly allows you to get back to nature. Soon, we'll be headed off on our waterfall adventure, so get changed, grab your stuff, and we'll be on our way. Okay, so we've made it up to the Erawan National Park. 81% of it is made up of beautiful, thick, lush rainforest. You can find anything here, from wild elephants to deer to lots of different species of birds. The famous Erawan waterfall behind me was named after the three-headed elephant from Hindu mythology. It has 7 different levels of beautiful limestone tiers. So let's go explore.